The English Talks enthusiastically welcomes you in our today's session, and today our topic is determiner. This is very simple topic, but simultaneously it is very tricky and very useful whether using in speaking, writing, reading or listening. So please listen this topic very carefully. I hope that this video definitely helps you to be pro in this foreign language. So today our topic is determiners. The definition of determiner is a word that introduces a noun. Simply means this topic helps in giving the meaning of noun. It always comes before a noun, and this is its fact that determiners always come before the noun. Before doing this topic means you must know the meaning of noun. I know you definitely very sure about the nouns, but still I give you some example. Noun means name. Simple definition is name. And name example is like brother, apple, Rohan, Sita, school. These all are noun. So it always comes before a noun or a noun phrase. So what are the noun phrases? Noun phrases are like if I am saying something spotted puppy. I am not saying puppy. I am saying spotted puppy. Next, striped zebra, electric household. So, spotted puppy, striped zebra, electric household are noun phrases. And here are some sentences how we use the definition like a determiner with these noun phrases. The spotted puppy. So here this is a noun phrase and before that we use the. So simply the is the determiner. Second one is striped zebra. Striped zebra is noun phrase and the. Like if I say a sentence at the zoo. Zoo is also a noun. Here is the. So the is determiner. I saw a striped zebra. So before this striped zebra, this is determiner. Next one is electric household. This is noun phrase. And before this, Mary. Mary is also noun. Mary lives in an electric household. So electric household, striped zebras, spotted puppy, these all are noun phrases. Before those we use these words. So these words simply means determiners. Okay. So next one is it provides an identity. Okay. To whom it provides identity? To the nouns. Like boy. So that boy. So that is the identity of that boy. That boy. Specification. Specified a noun. Here noun is a brother. And if I write here his. So his brother. His is, we specify the noun. Whose brother? His brother. Now this brother is specified by this. His. That. Next, quantity. So what quantity? Boys. And I am saying many boys. So boys are noun and many are determiners. So here that, his, many, these are determiners. So the definition is a determiner is a word that introduces a noun. It always comes before a noun or a noun phrase. It provides an identity, specification, quantity to the noun. And next, here are some types of determiners. Determiners of near about of 6 types. First one is article. So articles includes a and the. The use of articles we would discuss in another video. I have a different videos for these different topics. But today we just discuss about the types of determinants. Okay. So first one is article and the examples of a and the. As we use here the, and, a. So we used these articles in these sentences. Second one is demonstrative. If we demonstrate, like this is near to me, okay, so I say this pen or this marker. If that is very far away from me, this marker is far away or from me, then I will say that pen, that marker. If I have 2 or more than 2 pens or any article, then I say these pens. Or those are very far away from me, then I use word those pens, those trees, those students, those children, like that. Okay. Next one is possessive. This is the third type of determinants. Okay. So possessive means if I am saying this is concerned to me, like this is my pen, this is my marker, this is your marker. This is his marker, her marker, their marker. So, his, my, your, its, these words are also included in determiners. And this is the part of the title possessives. Okay. So, means these all are possessive determinants. Okay. Next one is numerical. So, numerical further divided into 2 parts. First one is ordinal, okay, and second one is numbers. Ordinals, first one is first, second, third, last, next, and numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 30, 50, 100. So actually, what is the difference between 1 and first? 1 is anyone, that is not specific. कोई भी एक हो सकता है. If I call a student from a class, then I say one student come to me. So all the students get confused that whom ma'am is calling. But if I say the student who stood first in the class come to me, then that is very specific. Okay, only one student is there who is first. So that students know, yes, teacher is calling me. So this is the difference between 1 and first. Okay, this next part is quantifiers. Quantifiers example is much, many, a few, a little. Okay. Next, interrogative. Interrogative words means the WH family words like who, where, when, why, like that. So we can use it as who and whoever. जो कोई भी संस्कृत जानता है मेरे पास आओ. कौन संस्कृत जानता है तो who, तब तो स्पेसिफिक है who. जो कोई भी, whoever, जो कुछ भी, whatever, whosoever, whichever. So these are the parts of interrogative determiners. So actually that was all about this topic, determiners, and you must follow all these rules and definitely it would help you. Thank you and have a great day.